In this video, I'm going to show you how to set reinvest dividends in Schwab. And this is something that you might want to change during different times in your investment career, either to hold back your dividends and use them for something else, or reinvest them and buy more positions. This option is only available on the desktop side. So once you log in, identify the Positions tab and scroll down to your holdings, then scroll to the right until you find the reinvest column. And at this point, you can click on any of those holdings. For example, here it says no. If we click on this, we see the option to change reinvest dividends to yes. And this is how you change your reinvest dividend settings in your Schwab account. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.